Yo, it's good YouTube? It's your boy SMIDRIN and we back with another video. And it's been a minute guys, I can't lie. I've been busy, man, I can't lie. I've been busy, I've been hustling and bustling.
Pause.
But today we got a couple new pickups for you, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay notified. Get it! Alright man, so let's get right into it, shall we? What are we gonna open here first? Let's go Nike SB. Now, as you guys can see, we went back in the vault, man. Got something that's very dear to me. A sneaker that's been a part of my hypebeast journey. One of the reasons why I got into Nike SB. I was able to, 16 years later, get my hands on something, so let's open the box and see what we got, shall we? So today, guys, I bring forth the Mork and Mindy Nike SB Dunk Premium High. Dead stock, by the way. Man, this shoe, if you know me, this shoe is literally a part of my origin story. This SB is one of the reasons why I'm the way I am today. I remember being in high school wearing these, taking the picture in the school staircase with the fake chain, you know what I mean? I thought I was somebody, you know what I mean? But you know, we got the Mork and Mindy SB Dunk High, red leather with the chrome on the mid panel here and on the swoosh as well. As you can see, we have the translucent icy bottoms. It's been 16 years, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This shoe came out in 05, I believe. Let me just make sure. Came out in 06. So this shoe came out in 06. Yeah, as you can see, the bottoms is still very, very, very brispy, icy. I would do the Fat Joe lick the soles, but I'm not. Aww. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. That's Fat Joe swag. Yeah, what else can I say about this shoe? I mean, if you know, you know. Got the Nike SB on the tongue. I'm gonna do the red lace this time around. I did the gray. I did it all before. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Black and purple box SB. If you know, you know. None of that new stuff out here, alright? Now, next, we have a package straight out of Customs. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what this is, where this package came from. But if you don't know and you're new to this channel, we have a fresh packaging from the good people over at Kapital. You know, my favorite brand, as you can see on the, you know, got the remake shown, you know, not too shabby. But we got a little 2-piece special today, so let's see what we have, shall we? Boom! Woo! Yes, y'all. All right. So we got a 2-piece. I guess we'll start with the first piece here. We'll start with the hoodie. Again, shout out to the good people over at Kapital over in Japan. They always hooking your boy up, making sure I stay fleecy. Yee. And the first piece we have is the Kapital Surf Hoodie in red to match the Mork and Mindy's, of course. As you can see here. Oh, this piece is phenomenal, guys. I say this all the time. That's my favorite word when it comes to Kapital. But you know what I mean? It's another phenomenal piece. As you can see, we have the crop on the bottom. You know, very surf-like, you know, getting into tune with today's climate. We got the oversized sleeves. The fit is oversized, very baggy, butt cropped. Get the look off. On the hoodie strings, as you can see, we have surf on it, because you know, I'm one of the waviest motherfuckers in Harlem, you feel me? Free Charlie. If you don't know who Charlie is, that's Max B.
Touch.
Where? Touch where? Where? Got robbed where? God did what? Look at me. I'm looking, baby. Look at me, baby. You see Fabio. You see Fabio. Look at Fabio.
I understand the original wave. Ow! But anyway, we got surf on the hoodie strings. Big print. You can see it from deep. Got some loose threading on the bottom on each side, as you can see, the little loose string. And yeah, as you can see with the fit, very boxy, very loose, but cropped. I'm gonna wear it with a white tee underneath, of course. And yeah, as for size, I got a size 3. You know, take what you want with that. I'm gonna kill this with the morks, you feel me? You feel me? Like, come on, like, I know y'all see what we got going on, you feel me? So yeah, make sure y'all get in tune with these surf hoodies. I've been talking to my boy Malachi over from Nightingale, one of the great NYC brands coming up. A lot of bespoke stuff, one-on-one, tap in with my boy for sure. And yeah, this is just the vibe that we was on this summer. We was like, you know what? We done did every hoodie. I mean, we did the barriers, we did the Saint Laurent's box logos, we did the regular box logos, we did the Rick Gift hoodies, but at this point, we just gonna get surf hoodies in every color and we just gonna treat them out, you feel me? We're gonna just beat them up, dog them out, you feel me? Cause that's just how we feeling. Ultimate surf boys, you dig? Oh so wavy, oh so wavy. And for the next piece, oh man, y'all know my body, you feel me? When I do Kapital, it's from head to toe, well ankle, because you know, they don't make the Pobellos in my size yet. We working on that. But, next piece from Kapital, we have very anticipated, okay guys? I've been wanting these pants ever since I saw the preview for it on the Kapital website. It was a must-have. I was debating whether I should do the 12.5 ounce indigo or go with the black, but I decided to go with the black. And we have the East Coast, well, Southeast Coast Repair Shop track pants in the black. Now you see that? I know y'all see what we got going on. On the knees we have the Southeast. On the right knee and left knees it says the Coast. Got the repair service underneath. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this pants if you've been on my channel. I have the West Coast already. And I'm like, I might as well complete the collection. So I had to get the East Coast, you feel me? Southeast Coast. Now, slight differences on this pair from the West Coast pair that I will point out to you guys. Instead of the strap that goes over the leg part to make it tighter around the ankle, what Kapital did this time around was they put a pocket on the bottom, okay? So now, if I wanted to, I could keep it like this. I can keep it wide bottom, which is very in right now. I'm really digging the loose fit, baggy pants. But if I wanted to just sit nice, because you know I got my morks, man. I can't have my swoosh and my mid panel hiding. So what you do is you see this zipper right here. You unzip this right here, right? And inside, guys, we have the strap to make sure that we can, adjust it. So you go as such, and then you tie around like this. Go inside the loop, bam. Bam, like that. And then you just fold that bad boy over. You feel what I'm talking about? Now, this is different from the West Coast because you can lose this piece here. You can lose this piece. So I do recommend making sure that you know, keep an eye out on where you keep your Velcro strap to make sure that your leg opening gets smaller so that you can, you know, sit right on top of a dunk or something like that. But yeah, as you can see the fit, I went with a size 3. That's normally how I go with any type of track pants or pants from Kapital, unless it's denim, of course. The inseam is great. The length is perfect for me. I love it, as you can see. It's a black. It's not black. It's not a jet black, but it's like a one wash black, I would say. Up here on the around the waist, you have a little distressing going around. No belt loops because this is a track pant, so you do use this here to tighten up your pants, you know, bam, like so. Pull it up, tighten it up, bam, bam, bam. We have 2 zipper pockets on the side. That way nothing falls out your pockets. Pretty roomy as well on the side pockets. And 1 back pocket, as you can see here. Another zipper as well. So when I purchased the Morks, I was just like, you know what? This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with the East Coast and the surf hoodie. And that's just how I'm vibing, you feel me? So y'all gonna see the fit when I put it together. I'm gonna chop it up, make it look good and all that. And you guys let me know in the comment section below, did I kill that shit? You understand what I'm saying? This video I ain't gonna talk y'all guys' ears off and all of that. I'm out. Alright, this was a quick one. I just wanted to show y'all my fit. And that was it. You understand me? So, peace.